Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. We are in Blueport Shopping Centre, Marmaris, and I'm going to see Wagwan, so let's see the vibe. It's meant to be a little bit more pricier, so we'll see if that's true. So this is the first floor. You have to go through like a metal detector and put your bag through like a little sort of security. So you've got accessories, jewellery, got a Burger King down there, but that seems closed. So we'll go up the escalators, I guess, see what's upstairs. Little Waffle House there. Seems like a hardware store on that one. Now I'm going to go upstairs. Or is it one that gets out? No, it is working. I'm going to take the lazy route, guys. So we go this way round. So we've got Doggo, Golden Rose, that looks like perfume, jewellery, no, just perfume and makeup. The Loft.
I want to get off
Yep.
on the discount, so.
There we go. Yeah, it's like your typical shopping mall that you get at home. Because not everyone wants to go to like the markets, do they? So I suppose this is like going to like the Zara and the H&M and the sort of shops you get at home. There we go. Little baby stool. Obviously, got your lifts. Have a little jewellery counter. So you've got your like little kiosks and everything in the middle. Shoes and sandals. Yes, say. Or just yes, yes. Toys shop. Get your little cars. Running. Kid bikes and everything. Got Imperium. And there's got Levi's. So yeah, it's got more of like, I guess, the better quality jeans and stuff. And then you've got nice blue colour, isn't it? Kitchen appliances. Big TV. Madame Coco. So your, again, bedding, crockery. Got sort of mats. So again, just household essentials. Trendy. Women's clothes store. And then like another Doggo. So we've done like a full circle. Right, so there's one more floor, so I'll quickly nip up there. Show you guys, I think that's the food court. You've heard that it's meant to be like really cheap food up there. So let's go and see. Do you want to stay here and I'll go up? So some of the ones we have at home, it's the same thing. You've got your food courts, shops, and then you might have like a cinema or something. This one's got like a little arcade. So you've got a little magic play. A little look inside. So yeah, this is nice again. If you've got kids, small family, or teenagers, they'd probably love it here. So you've got Doi Doi Pied. That's like a pizza calzone.
No, they're like business.
Ah.
It's like a big bread. We've had it already
Yeah.
at our hotel. We were the one that was folded
Oh
over.
yes, then they made it fresh. Yeah, really lovely.
Normally they have it open, put toppings on the inside. So yeah, $2.50. What's that? $5.
Yeah, it's
$5
not
you get
bad.
the big one. Chicken pizza.
Oh, you got your like your meal deals that come with like a drink.
better, isn't it?
There you go. Right, let's keep going. You got an actual pizza one here. Terra pizza. And then this side we've got oozes. It's like coughs and stuff. You've got like your rice, your beans. Me and Kirk have been living off rice and beans since we've been here. Got coffee, toasties, chips, burger. Give you guys some prices. Morning. And then you've got like your dining hall, I guess, somewhere to sit and eat. Chef Bistro fast food. It's like wraps, chips, burger. Ah, there you go, this is more like a pasta one. Macaroni Express. Oh, you look really nice. That pesto one looks really nice. Nice pastas. Yeah, really nice. There you go, got like your deals. So this is more like your kebab and meat one. And that's the barbecue mango. And then you've got a Chinese restaurant, it looks like. All you can eat, yeah. 6 to 12, and then under, I'm guessing it's eat free. You've got a dinner buffet. Yeah, it is. So you got your dinner one there, 8 till 10. And then you've got all the options there.
Wasn't it ticked? What they've got, I guess.
Yeah.
Let's get the shade in as
Yeah, it's not a bad view at all.
Let's get a bit more down here, so.
Really nice. Manchester Bar, Anfield, that's like the little football square, isn't it? Again, no Tottenham. And then got a lovely memorial there. It's quite pretty, isn't it, the boat? That's really nice. Nice calm day, all the boats out there. And the beach straight ahead. Got a sign there saying fish and chips, homemade.
That's tasty bites.
Oh yeah, Tasty Bites. Yeah, it's a really lovely restaurant. It's one of our favourites. If you just want your quick takeaway. And then this side, you've got the mountain view. Got all the apartments, got a family having their breakfast there. Yeah, nice little balconies. That one's quite big, isn't it? Like the wraparound ones. It's nice. And then that McDonald's, I don't believe is open, is it? I don't think it is a McDonald's. I think it's a buffet, something upstairs and then downstairs. So there is no McDonald's here that we're aware of. And then along this bit, which you can't see, you've got like a Burger King, haven't you? Yeah, underneath. And then you've got the Taj Mahal just on the corner up there. We went there yesterday. I'd say it was all right. You get what you get. Good prices, service, food was quick. Really quick, yeah, so there's no waiting. It was nice. And then it just goes out to more eating areas up there. So yeah, that's Blueport Shopping Centre. Comment below if you've been here, if you've eaten food, got any bargains, any shops or anything. And we'll see you guys in the next one. If you're not subscribed, please do. It really does help push the content. Don't forget to like the video. And if you do like this, go and check out all of our other videos of Marmaris, Ishmael, and all the other countries that we've been to. See you on the next one.